For the best price, click the link in the description. But have you been struggling to find a reliable fish finder that gives you accurate readings and provides a clear view of your surroundings on the water? Therefore, I'm excited to share with you my honest review of the Garmin Striker Vivid 7CV/N. A device that has taken the fishing community by storm with its impressive features and exceptional performance. But here's what surprised me about this fish finder. It's not just for professional anglers. Its user-friendly interface and high-resolution display make it an excellent choice for beginners as well. Therefore, I'll dive into the details of this device to help you understand whether it's the right fit for your fishing needs. The Garmin Striker Vivid 7CV is a compact and lightweight fish finder that comes equipped with a range of advanced features, including a high-resolution color display that provides an exceptional view of your surroundings, dual-frequency sonar capabilities, allowing you to choose between two frequencies, 5200 kHz for improved accuracy and coverage, built-in chirp sonar technology for enhanced fish detection and clear imaging, a range of advanced mapping features, including Garmin's proprietary Panoptix LiveScope, support for up to 10,000 waypoints, making it easy to mark and navigate your favorite fishing spots. But what really sets the Striker Vivid apart is its incredible battery life. With up to 5 hours of continuous use on a single charge, you can fish for longer without worrying about running out of power. However, I know that not everyone may be familiar with the Striker Vivid's various features and settings. Therefore, let me walk you through some of the key functions: setting up your device, connecting to your smartphone or tablet via Bluetooth, customizing your display, adjusting settings for brightness, contrast, and sensitivity, using advanced mapping features, navigating menus, and selecting the right tools for your needs. But what about the Striker Vivid's accuracy? Can it really live up to its promise of providing accurate readings and clear imaging? Therefore, I'll be sharing some real-life examples and comparisons with other fish finders on the market. This will help you get a better understanding of how the Striker Vivid performs in different situations. But before we dive into the details, let me ask you, are you tired of spending hours trying to find the perfect fishing spot? Do you struggle with accurately detecting fish and navigating your surroundings? Therefore, I believe that the Garmin Striker Vivid 7CV is an excellent choice for anyone looking to upgrade their fishing experience. Its advanced features, user-friendly interface, and impressive battery life make it a top contender in its class. But don't just take my word for it, let's take a closer look at some of the key benefits of this device. Improved accuracy, thanks to dual-frequency sonar capabilities and built-in chirp technology. Enhanced fish detection, with advanced mapping features and high-resolution display. Increased range, supported by up to 10,000 waypoints and advanced navigation tools. But what about the competition? How does the Striker Vivid compare to other popular fish finders on the market? Therefore, I'll be sharing some comparisons with other top brands, including Garmin's own Striker Plus series. This will help you make an informed decision when choosing the right device for your needs. But before we conclude, let me summarize the key points. User-friendly interface and high-resolution display. Dual-frequency sonar capabilities and built-in chirp technology. Advanced mapping features and support for up to 10,000 waypoints. Impressive battery life with up to 5 hours of continuous use. Therefore, I believe that the Garmin Striker Vivid 7CV is an excellent choice for anyone looking to upgrade their fishing experience. Its advanced features, user-friendly interface, and impressive performance make it a top contender in its class. But don't wait, order your Garmin Striker Vivid 7CV today and start enjoying a more accurate and enjoyable fishing experience. For the best price, click the link in the description.